Hello everyone, I am Sukhmani from British Career Group, and today we would discuss that how we can prepare a cue card in 1 minute. As you all know, speaking is one of the most important modules in your IELTS exam, and it has to be conducted before or after the exam. That depends when you get the date for the same. So today we will talk about the cue card, which is the second section of speaking and the most important part. In this, you have 1 minute preparation time and 1 to 2 minutes speaking time. That means you have 1 minute for brainstorming your ideas and you have to speak from 1 to 2 minutes. That depends on the examiner whenever he stops you, but you have to continue till 2 minutes. So, before attempting any cue card, most important points that you have to keep in mind are, you have to read the question very carefully. Then you have to understand all the sub points. Every cue card has some sub points. That means you have to cover that sub points while you speak for 2 minutes, and without that your cue card is incomplete. Make sure to address each point while speaking. That means the same, that you have to include every point in your speaking, that means in your cue card, so you can justify the cue card and anything is not missed. Otherwise, you will not get a good band score. So you have to cover all the points to fetch a really good band score. Now, moving to cue card preparation, that how you can prepare your cue card in 1 minute. Starting from a very simple example, that is, describe a vacation you had. Now, these are the sub points of a cue card. So we will be reading each one by one. Now, when was it? Second is where you went, third is with whom you went, fourth is what you did, and the last one is how you felt about it. First of all, we will be jotting the keywords, or you can say points for that. Now, we can start with when was it. You can write that it was before the lockdown period in January, or it was in 2019, any month. And where you went, it can be Goa, because Goa is an exotic tourist destination. Many people go there to enjoy themselves and to rejuvenate themselves. And then is with whom you went. It can be with family or friends, and then you can include we went by air. Then what you did, in that you can say we did many adventurous activities. You can also mention the cause, that you wanted some time away from the hustle and bustle of life. You wanted to relieve yourself from the stress. You just wanted to go there because that will act as a stress buster for you. And then cause can be the recreational activity. So then you can also tell about that how you feel, that you got to meet new people from different walks of life that is there, and till now they are your friends. It was really a thrilling experience for you because of the water sports, as you are an adventurous person and you were really fascinated by the photos posted on Instagram that people post nowadays, that they enjoyed many water sports at Goa. And how you feel or how you felt, that you can say it was a thrilling experience. And in the future you can also mention that you would like to visit this place again to galvanize yourself, or you can say the lifestyle there was commendable, that how people greeted you and people were really extrovert and friendly. You really enjoyed a lot. And then the seafood there was irresistible. Although seafood is really common these days, yet there is something unique about the seafood in Goa, so you can mention it. Now we will talk about that how we have to prepare this cue card in 1 minute. So the simplest method to prepare it, just look at your cue card, that is, describe a vacation you had. First of all, you have you had in your cue card. That means you have to speak in the past. Then make a circle, write down your main point in that, that is vacation. And now start with the key points one by one. Now, when was it? You can say last year in January. That was before the COVID lockdown, and you and your friends or your family planned to visit Goa because the weather there is very good in January and you wanted to go away from the really cold days you were having in your hometown. So where you went, there you can mention Goa. As I earlier said, it is an exotic tourist destination and you get really good package deals with your family or your friends when you are in a group. So you just wanted to go there, as you will get you were getting a very good deal on it. Then with whom you went, that can be with your family or with your friends, that depends on you what you want to say. What you did, that is the adventurous activities. You can say the water sports, depends on you what you want to mention. And then is how you felt about it. How you felt about it means how you felt. It was really a thrilling experience and you felt rejuvenated. You were very jubilant after coming from there. You learned really new things. It was really a new experience for you. You rose above your horizons. You met many new people, which is not very common in your hometown. And you came to know about different people. That is the main point, and how they influenced your life, what you learned from them. So like this you can prepare your cue card. This is very simple. First of all, just make a circle and one by one write your points following the sequence of your sub points. When you start practicing for the first time, it will take time, but eventually you will get to know how you have to prepare it and it will be really easy for you. So this is the best method how you can prepare your cue card in 1 minute. And it's very simple. Every time you get any cue card, follow this method and you will be really efficient in it and you will really get a good band score. So this is the method how you can prepare your cue card. So if you want to know anything else about it, you can mention it in the comments, and for more videos you can subscribe our channel. Thank you.